Did you know that eggs in a grocery store can be up to 2 months old if they make it to their sell-by date? Luckily, there's an easy way to figure out how old your eggs actually are. The eggs are packed within a week of being laid, and the packed by date is located on the carton under the sell-by date. The 3-digit code runs consecutively from 001 to 365. 001 is January 1st, and 365 is December 31st. So, before you go to the store, figure out today's 3-digit code and place it on your grocery list. Then, simply minus the code on the carton at the store to see how many days old the eggs are. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.